So why have you organised a rally?
Well, we organised a rally just to let Pauline know that a lot of Australians support her. We support Pauline, and over the past couple of weeks there's been a lot of stuff in the media, and also different sort of like leftist groups have come out and been quite aggressive in their rhetoric. And tonight we've seen different leftist groups saying they want to shut down the event, and we're here saying that we want freedom of speech. Pauline has a right to exercise freedom of speech tonight on Q&A, and we love Pauline. It's a fantastic development in Australian politics to have somebody who genuinely loves Australia. It's a great development, and just here to show her support that we love Pauline, and we're here for her.
And why do you support her?
I guess because of her policy, her views. I thoroughly agree on immigration, on multiculturalism, on foreign ownership. The thing that she's saying is representing so many people out there in the public. We feel the same way. There's millions of Australians that do, and sort of the policies and what she believes in, I firmly support and also believe in too. Yeah, but I think Islam's very divisive. Absolutely, I think we do need an inquiry into Islam. We need to stop Muslim immigration, absolutely, and I believe that multiculturalism has failed, so I do support Pauline and what she's saying about Islam, and I'd love to see an end to Muslim immigration completely.
And how do you feel about the fact of being separated from the other group?
Well, it's sort of like I'd much prefer to be closer, so we can sort of have a bit of banter between each other. But it's still good to be here. It's a psychological win for us, and just to let Pauline know that we're here for her and we'll continue to support her.
Thank you.
Well,
Thanks
no
so
worries.
much.
Thank you.
Thanks.